Hi my dear beautiful friend, ever notice your Google Play Store isn't showing the newest feature? Don't worry. I walk you through the fastest and safest way to update it on your Android phone. It's only take a few minutes and you will be ready to enjoy better performance, security and the latest improvement. So let's jump right in. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. After the app is open, make sure you are logged into your current Google account. Now look at the top menu bar. Here you can find your Google profile icon. Click on them. In the menu, scroll down to the very bottom. Look for the settings option. Click on it. Within the settings page, look at the very bottom. Find the about section. Tap on it. After that, scroll down a little. Look for the update Play Store option. Now tap on it and wait. You can see the pop-up mention Google Play Store is up to date, and that's it. How you can update Google Play Store app. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, subscribe for more simple Android tutorials, useful tech tips and easy step-by-step video every day. Bye, take care.